Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to show captions on Facebook web using your PC, especially after the latest update. If you prefer watching videos with subtitles or need captions for better accessibility, Facebook has made it simple to turn them on permanently. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Display and Accessibility. This is where Facebook groups together settings related to how content appears on your screen. After that, go ahead and select Accessibility Settings. This section is specifically designed to help users customize their experience, including features like captions and motion preferences. Now, inside Accessibility Settings, look for the option labeled Video and Motion. Click on it to open more options related to how videos behave on Facebook. Here's the key step. Find the option that says Always Show Captions. Once you see it, simply toggle it on. As soon as this setting is enabled, Facebook will automatically display captions on videos whenever they are available, without you needing to turn them on each time. This is especially useful if you often watch videos without sound, or if you want a more inclusive viewing experience. And that's it. From now on, captions will appear by default on supported videos across Facebook. If this helped you, make sure to check out more quick tutorials to stay updated with the latest features and settings.